Okay, let's see how we can solve this logarithmic equation. And notice that we actually have two logarithms. And better yet, these two logarithms, they have different bases. So be really careful. And you know the deal. Please pause the video and try this first. Done? Good. Okay, what's the answer? I'll tell you guys this first. X is equal to 500. Alright, so if you got it, good. And then you can leave a comment down below, let us know how you did it. And now let's see. The problem with this equation is that the logarithms have different bases and we don't like that. So let's use the change of base formula for this. And let's just use the natural log so that everything will be consistent. So this right here becomes natural log of the inside, which is 2x, and then over natural log of the base, which is x. So this and that are equal. And we are going to multiply by, again, let's use natural log of this, which is x, over natural log of the base, which is 10. And that's still equal to 3. Good. Now notice, this and that are the same, so we should be able to cancel them, right? Yes, and we actually just have to mention that x cannot be equal to 1, because if x is equal to 1, you see that ln1 is 0, we will be dividing by 0, so that's not cool, right? In fact, from the original expression, x cannot be equal to 1, because we cannot have log base of 1, so keep that in mind. So we can legitimately cancel this and that, and then we'll actually just end up with ln of 2x over ln of 10. But you know, this right here is actually just the same as log of that, which is 2x, and then the base can go right here, right, the 10. And that's equal to 3. And from here, we can just do 10 to this power, 10 to this power, yeah. So that's how we do it when we have just one logarithm. And they cancel, and we get 2x equals 10 to the third power, which is 1000. And ladies and gentlemen, after we divide both sides by 2, x is equal to 500. So this one is pretty neat, because even though we have a log equation with different bases, but they worked out pretty well because we have the change of base formula. And they cancel out very nicely. That's it.